one example of pesticide safety educator activities with private growers is that, for example, in my state, we are revising the pesticide applicators study material. So our private applicators are growers. They have to read and study a book, and then they use what they've learned from that book, and they take a test. And that test qualifies them to use restricted materials on their property.
We have about 10,000 private applicators, all of which get their pesticide safety education through a PSEP program.
We have two major audiences in our pesticide applicators. The private applicators are called are the farmers and ranchers, and in our state it's not required for them to pass an exam to be certified or licensed, but they do have to attend training every 3 years. So what we do is we try to offer that training in as many different methods and avenues as possible.
A PSEP activity concerning the pesticide safety education of private applicators. One example of that in our state is the air blast and boom sprayer calibration program, which has been in existence for a few years now. It is a program that works both with the people within the pesticide safety education program as well as some of the extension educators. And upon the request of farmers, once we've gone out and advertised that, the request comes in from the farmer, those individuals will go out and help in the calibration of some of their spray equipment. In addition, while there, we also offer boom sprayer calibration to those farms as well. So it's been an ongoing program and been a very beneficial one for both the farming community as well as the extension folks.
My role is to be a resource for the county educators who do the bulk of this training. We accomplish that by providing an in-service where our state specialists come in and give them critical updates on pesticides, how to use them effectively, how to use them safely. And then our PSEP, we have helped package this information, the PowerPoints, the written materials. We help package it, deliver it to the educators so that they can effectively deliver it in their counties.
For 20 years, I've been able to work with extension agents in North Carolina. We have 100 counties, each of which has an extension agent that helps train the growers, like the alfalfa farmers, in their county. And I provide the curriculum that they use to help keep the farmer updated on regulations, on new topics, on cutting-edge technologies. And then I distribute that to the county agent, who then is the kind of the mouthpiece really for my program for farmers.
There's quite a few. In Montana, we take various roles, whether it's written publications, we have fact sheets, we have bulletins and reports, what we call ag alerts we'll send out. If there's some unique emergency that comes up in the state, we can deliver this via electronic media. And also, of course, on-site trainings, in which case we have initial trainings teaching individuals that might not know anything about pesticides and covering the core topic areas. Try to keep people safe, the environment safe. We also have recertification trainings. We often are invited speakers to a number of different presentations that are put on by multiple organizations, including weed districts and forest service or extension service, whatever it might be. Perform a lot of different roles, from pollinator protection to fumigant education training. It goes on and on. Or working with other IPM specialist scientists on delivering good pest management recommendations.
Well, in our state, we conduct private applicator trainings by our extension agents. What I primarily do is make certain that curriculum is put together and take the information, the numbers that are collected from there, and utilize those to help us see how we're reaching people.